Hi, my name is Avyas Masood. I am the founder of OptiLinko. With me is Mr. Abedullah, who led our development team, and Ms. Sahrish Javed, who works with the freelancers and marketing agencies we built OptiLinko for.
Here is what most marketing professionals face every day. Every agency uses multiple tools such as Ahrefs, Samrush, Moz, Screaming Frog, and many more. They are spending up to €1,900 per month. As you know, Samrush charges per toolkit and Ahref logs features behind the tires. Then you spend hours a week to copying data from the multiple tools into the one spreadsheet by hand. Those tools update data once a week. Google makes over 4,700 algorithm updates once a year. By the time you see what happened, the damage is done. And then there is a historical data, things like keyword tracks, ranking history, backlinks over time. It exists, but it's locked behind the expensive plans. It's not accessible for the small business owners and the freelancers. And honestly, there is no prediction. Most people are reacting after things go wrong. So instead of preventing problems, they are catching up. Now here's what most people are really don't talk about. The big part of SEO is not about large companies, it's about freelancers and small agencies. 35% are solo experts and another 35% are small companies. So it's a majority. But the problem is they still need professional level data, but they can't even afford these expensive tools. In fact, 46% don't even start because of its pricing and 61% skip SEO completely because of its complexity and its pricing. And yet, this is a massive marketing and it's worth over $70 billion and still growing. So the demand is there, it's not being served properly. So OptiLinko brings everything in one platform: keyword research, keyword and topical clustering, site audits, backlinks, competitor analysis, all in one dashboard. No extra charges, no log features, every module is included. Your data updates continuously, not once a week. And we are adding 6 years of historical data to every plan without any cost. And most importantly, our AI tells you what happens before it does.
My name is Abedullah. I led the team that builds OptiLinko, a simple AI-based platform having features like rank tracker, website audit, keyword backlink, market and competitor analysis, all integrated. Our platform runs on live APIs, delivering accurate runtime SEO data from day one. As a part of our Estonia plan, we have identified and budgeted a 1200 terabyte historical SEO dataset for purchase. One-time cost of $0.15 million USD, planned for 3 to 5 months in Tallinn. Once integrated, this historical data will power our AI prediction model. 6 years of keyword history, backlink research, and SERP movements at a price any freelancer can afford. Until then, the platform delivers real-time intelligence from day one. Today, we run on rented servers, but in Estonia, we will build our own. Our costs fall as we grow, unlike the competitors. Our model is simple: 99, 199 and 299 USD and customized plan also. All features on every plan, no log features. Freelancers and small businesses, then agencies, then enterprises. We project 3.4 million euros year 1 to 18.6 million euros by year 5. We chose Estonia by choice. 9 of us are moving to Tallinn permanent, all tax paid here. 2 local hires in a year and 28 by year 5. Servers inside Estonia. 3.4 million euros in hardware. All revenue through an Estonian company. All tax paid here.
I want to be honest, no launch yet, no users, no customers, no revenue. This platform is built by a team of 9 people and reviewed by industry experts who help us to improve it. Euro 300,000 reserved for acquire 1200 terabyte plus historical dataset for Estonia by Q2 or Q3. We are ready. Estonia where we launch. 9 people ready to move to Tallinn the day by you approve. A complete platform, 6 years of historical data, predictable business model targeting failing freelancers, agencies, individuals, small businesses who cannot afford what exists. It's not built yet, but everything ready to build from Estonia. Only one ask: approval to build from here. Estonia built Skype, Bolt and Pipedrive. We want to be next. Thank you.